Fragokastello Beach is an excellent destination for people who like to explore beautiful places. An hour or so from Chania. To get there, you'll have to drive your car to Sfakia via imposing landscapes and mountains. After your arrival in Sfakia, just follow the sign to Frangokastello, 13 kilometers to the east. It is famous for its Venetian castle and the legend of the mythical Drosoulites. Legend says that every May to June at daybreak, shadows of the Hatzimihalis Dalianis fallen soldiers who were killed in 1828's battle against the Turks came into view across the plains. Legend or unexplained phenomenon, it is definitely worth a visit. The beach of Frangokastello is sandy with turquoise, shallow waters, ideal for children. Your visit to the mythical Frangokastello will surely be an unforgettable experience.